Listen, I am ready for the Christmas holiday. What about you? I just feel like work has consumed so much of my time that I have not been it's a lot, but y'all see me. Work didn't stop me from making my videos and creating them. But now, since we're gonna get the Christmas holiday, I'm gonna be in my studio. We're gonna be talking. We're gonna be working together. Yes, as you can see, it has been a while, y'all. You know, this has been my passive income as well. Thank God for that. It does take care of some of the bills. I'm gonna reorganize. Um, my studio. As you can see, we do have some bags here, so we're gonna be packing things out, and those good stuff. I have my mannequin. I have to get them dressed. So this is from my online boutique, y'all. I know y'all been seeing, like, when you watch my videos, right at the bottom you'll probably see a few of my brand, well, not my brand, sorry, clothesline, right? Before I turned dread, y'all see I used to wear my wigs and things of that nature. So yeah, I was a Gigi girl at one point. But I start dreading my hair with the micro locks, and I'm absolutely loving them. Do you love them? I mean, I do. I feel like time and place for everything, right? But I'm gonna be recording now from my studio because I feel like it's time. I have been in the classroom and pouring out my heart with you guys, but I also want to talk about a lot of things when it comes down to passive income. I want to help those who wants to start something for the new year. You know, this, you can utilize this to pay some of those small bills that you have. And this has been helping me out tremendously, y'all. I've had my e-commerce for about 5 years, and I absolutely love it. You know, one thing I love about the internet is that even if I stop work, I did not stop getting paid. I do still get paid in my sleep, but these are all passive. It's not those cash flow active, you know. But if you work it to its full potential, yes, it can happen. For me, I must say I was a bit inconsistent with it, but I was still getting sales, and that's the amazing thing. So I would never ever give up the e-commerce because the overhead is at a lower cost. It only cost me what, $40 a month. But I'm gonna share some gems with you how you can start up without even paying anything for about 3 to 4 months and start making money right away. So I'm gonna share those gems with you soon. But yeah, I'm gonna start back because since I'm on the Christmas holiday, I no longer have to be in the classroom. I can shoot from my studio, and you know, my board is here. We're gonna talk about some things, y'all. I'm pretty excited about it, but right now I gotta go to church. I'm a part of the media team, so I have to conduct the service today. So I'll see you around. Take care. Bye.